So the first thing we want to do is create an instance. Oracle Linux 7.9 will be fine. We'll put it on a small VM. I'm not going to worry about logging into that box, so we won't worry about that. Okay, so we have an instance being created in our sandbox compartment. Next we'll go to security scanning. And there's no results yet because we've not set it up. So it tells us we need to make sure that we allow certain things for VSS, vulnerability scanning service, to do. We need to be able to manage certain aspects. We also need to allow people in your own group to manage things in VSS as well. So the first thing we're going to do is create a scan recipe. So compute host. We'll go for the top 1,000 most common ports to be scanned on every public IP. We'll allow agent-based scanning. We'll enable CSI benchmarks. We'll say if more than 40% of the benchmarks fail, it's a high risk. And we'll go ahead and let things scan daily rather than just once a week. Now I have a recipe in place. I'll create a target to go scan that host. So let's create a target. We'll use the recipe we just created. We'll do all compute instances in the selected compartment, which is sandbox. We could pick a specific instance like that one, but if I create for all, I'll pick up all the new VMs in the future that I create in this compartment. Okay. It's creating the target. Now it will take typically an hour, but it could take up to 24 hours. We'll see some results here.